Hey, Dr. Perez here. Let's talk about vertigo today, something that I think not enough people realize that acupuncture can be of service to them. Pretty big topic. A lot of things can cause a symptom of vertigo. For the interest of time, let's focus on issues relating to the inner ear. So, what does your inner ear have to do with it? It's a good strategic location to have the bony labyrinth. So, it's a tiny bone with three fluid filled loops pointing in each of the three axes. So as you move your head around, the nerves there can read the motion of the fluid or the fluid levels in there and kind of tell like how your head is moving or where it is in space, something like that. So anything goes awry in there, it's like you got an inner ear infection, the nerve going to it or the bone itself is infected and inflamed, or something like Meniere's disease where they totally know what's going on, but they know it has to do with there's too much fluid in those little loops. So then you get strange or conflicting data going to your brain, so it thinks its head is moving when it's not. So that's where you get symptoms that the room is spinning or you're moving, or you're unstable on your feet, you poor balance, something like that. So what does Chinese medicine have to do with this? So acupuncture is pretty good at harmonizing and balancing. So you put the needles in the area, maybe some distal sites that link up, and you can do the right needle technique. You can affect like the fluid balance, so the amount of fluid coming to and from the area or blood coming to and from the area, and even possibly affect like nerve conductance, something like that, kind of level and balance things out. And in terms of herbs, there are a lot of anti-inflammatory herbs and damp draining herbs. So if there's too much fluid in the area or in the bone itself, then these herbs have the effect of like kind of slowly draining and balancing things out. So everything in there is proper and moving well. So if you have any questions about how acupuncture can help with your vertigo symptoms, give us a call today.